Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today we discuss about Wuhan University of Technology CSC scholarship. Type in Google CSC Guide official and click on the first link. Okay. After that, you can see here is the website cscguideofficials.com and click on that category CSC scholarship admissions. Okay, and you can see the detail about East China Normal University, Shanghai Government Scholarship, and Chinese Government Scholarship. But today we discuss Wuhan University of Technology. In next video, inshallah, we will try to discuss that university. Okay, now authority is Chinese Government Scholarship. Okay, university name Wuhan University of Technology, master and PhD students. In the beginning, I will say you that my English is not good. I just make this video in English for those students who requested me that please make videos in English. So that's why I am trying. Okay, so and if you got pre-admission letter from Wuhan University of Technology, then ignore that pre-admission letter because this pre-admission letter has no value. Okay, so apply method, just online apply, no need to send hard copies. 31st of March 2021 is the last date. All international students can apply. Age limit for master 35 and for PhD 40 years. Okay, you can apply on the basis of English proficiency certificate. How to apply for this university? First you fill CSC form. Okay, after that you need to fill your Wuhan University of Technology online application form. After filling both the form, you need to check your online status. Okay, no need to pay application fee, no need to send hard copies. The result will be announced at the end of July. Click here to apply on CSC portal. How you fill this form? Click here to watch the video. And click here to apply on university portal. I want to show you that which documents required on university portal as well, and these are the required documents. Okay, online apply, CSC form, university form, highest degree transcript, study plan, recommendation letters, passport copy, physical examination form, English proficiency certificate, acceptance letter if available. It's not mandatory. Non-criminal certificate, record police clearance certificate. Okay, and these are the majors which they offer. If your major is not available in this list, then don't apply in this university. Okay, and you can also check the result that how many students they select in 2020. So click here to go to the official advertisement if you want to go. Okay, now I wanna go to this portal and try to get DUCY. Okay, and sign in. So here is the portal. Click on here online application, and I just want to show you that which documents they required. So I applied last days just for demo, for making video. Here is now the online application website is ready for 2020 spring and autumn intake. Duration 2022/7. Deadline for application December 20, and this is not for I think this is not for scholarship candidate, but scholarship candidate deadline is 31st of March. Okay, now I will select Chinese government scholarship. Okay, and I select doctoral students. Okay, no, but if your major is available in this, you need to check your major from that list. If your major is in this list, then apply, otherwise leave it. Okay, and if your major is not in the list but you have accepted an acceptance letter, then discuss this thing with your professor. Maybe she can do something for you. So I wanna apply on this one. Okay, so go back. Just wanna say you that which documents required in online application portal. Click on online application portal and click on view. So here is passport pages with photo and visa application form for Chinese government scholarship. Degree certificates means that your highest degree. Okay, transcripts, personal statement, recommendation letter, English language certificate, Chinese language certificate if available, physical examination form, research proposal, no criminal certificate record. If you are applying for master, then a study plan is okay, but the personal statement is also mandatory in this university. Hope so you get your point. So if you have any question, then comment in this video. I will try to give the answer, and we keep visiting cscguideofficials.com. Good luck and take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next video.